What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and just before this starts I want to clarify a couple things. So a lot of you guys assume that I was just giving V-Bucks out if you commented and subscribed. I'm sorry, but if you thought that, I'm doing a giveaway. So if you subscribe and commented, you're entered into the giveaway and have a chance to get the V-Bucks. So I'm sorry if you thought that I was just giving them out. You know, if I could, I would, but I just don't have that money. But if you guys don't win this giveaway, don't, you know, like, worry. I'm gonna do another giveaway at 200 subs. So as soon as we pass 200 subs, I'm gonna make another video announcement saying I'm doing another giveaway. It might be before Tuesday, which is when I'm going to announce the winner. So there might be a second video that comes out about another giveaway, which is kind of insane. You know, I didn't think I was gonna grow that fast. I've gained almost 50 subs from that video, which is honestly ridiculous. Thank you guys so much again. But yeah, sorry about that. Another thing I want to say is I thought I could gift you guys just V-Bucks, like, just straight up, but I can't. So it's gonna be an Xbox card equivalent to the V-Bucks, 2,500 V-Bucks, so $25. I think that's how much it costs. But there's a bonus, so you'll actually be getting 2,800 V-Bucks if you do decide to buy that. I mean, it's completely up to you what you want to buy with the gift card, Xbox gift card. Oh, excuse me, I got the burps. But yeah, so it's gonna be equivalent to the V-Bucks. You know, I thought I could just gift it, which would be way easier, but it's whatever. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much. We're almost at 200, so as soon as we hit 200, there's gonna be another giveaway, just to say thank you guys. I'm not doing this just to gain subs. I'm doing these giveaways to say thank you guys, because I used to do like videos way back saying thank you every like 10 subs. And I even did like 110 push-ups or something like that for 10 subscribers or 11 subscribers. And that's when I was like, you know, this is dope. I got 10 subscribers, you know. I thought it was like cool, you know. But I want to get back to you guys saying thank you. I know 200 is not a lot, not really. It's kind of a small number, but to me it really means a lot. And if you put 200 people in a room, it's quite a bit of people. But yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
All these bad bitches say they love me, I already know. Check the ping that's on my finger, 'cause I'm
Waiting for players.
I'm coming for those
Shoot.
cheeks.
Oh god, dude, I'm scared,
The
bro.
boys.
Sam,
boys.
okay, here we
Where
go.
are you?
What?
Sam, turn around.
Hot.
Okay, so we have to
Bro, how do you
find.
turn this off? How do you turn this off? No,
You
no,
can't turn
listen.
the flashlight
How
off.
do I turn this off?
Will survive.
I can't? You
No.
can see us.
So sure.
No, but the creature is scared of light, so if we shine the light on him, he'll get like hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna click X because we need to find things. We need to find things. Why'd you just
I'll
throw
throw some
that?
shit at you, Lenny, if you come at me. Cause I
You just wasted
don't know
that.
what to do.
Oh, there we go. What am I
I know what I
picking up?
did.
It's a flare. It hurts him.
Oh, well, my light
Okay.
does too, so what's the point of that
Hey,
flare?
to do more damage. Cause he
Where
Dude,
y'all
I hear
at?
him.
This place is pretty big.
Run back.
what is that? Sam, follow me, bro. We gotta stick together, dude. What? Is he behind us? Is he behind us? Wait, we need this.
Yeah, just kidding, bro. Chill.
What? What happened?
What is that? Bro, I heard something, dude.
Push me.
What's B? No.
Boy's gonna see a light. He can see it.
I know, but it hurts him, dude. You can run with LT when you make more noise. Don't run.
Oh, I'm definitely running.
Don't run. If he gets to us, run.
Somebody running.
The tape can be nearby.
Bro, I'm gonna scream.
We need to find the tapes. Where you at? Sam, where are you? Sam, where'd you go? Oh,
I'm scared. There's so much sound. I need to dip out of this room. I'm scared of this room.
No, dude, there's a tape in here. Sam, there's a tape in here.
Where?
It's in here somewhere. We have to find it.
Austin.
What? There's a tape in here, dude. Oh, right here. Here's the tape.
Where?
Alright, here we go. I got it.
Bro, what's that? Okay.
Oh god, he's here! What is that?
What
Is
are you
that?
talking about?
Bro, I heard that. Sam, go.
Bro, I'm dipping.
Sam?
What? What are you
Sam?
talking about?
What is that? Oh, he activated an idol. Go that way, go that way, go that way, go that way, go that way.
I'm running,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
running, I'm running.
Okay, we need to find more tapes. Use X, Sam. You gotta use X to find the tapes.
What is this? What is that? What is that?
Don't use X yet. I just used mine.
What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm getting repairable battery. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Sam,
This is so funny.
Bro,
take this battery. Take the battery. I already have one. Take it.
I already have one.
Okay.
I can pick up two, I guess.
What is that noise? What is that? Turn the flashlight.
Dude, don't worry, don't worry.
These are fine.
What is that? Sam, click X. Click X.
You guys are freaking out for no reason.
What does it say to go? Which way does it say to go?
You're a puss.
Where'd you go? Oh, you're right there. Which way does it say to
I
go?
ain't no bitch.
Did you click X?
I ain't no bitch. No.
Why? We need to. You need to. Oh, there's a tape here. There's a tape here.
What the fuck? Austin, I think
You
we're,
guys, you guys are gonna have a
um,
couple of minutes because I have to go bring my dog in. So you better find as many tapes as you can while I'm gone.
Sam, find the tape.
Be back.
hold on, what is this? What's that sound, bro? I'm kind of lucky, like,
Find the
There it
tapes.
is.
We have to find the
I'm big
tapes.
curious.
Oh,
I don't
Sam.
even know what those tapes are.
Dude, I told you to click X and
Chill.
it shows you which way to go.
I know, I'm clicking X, and nothing's happening.
Where are you? No, you see that thing on the bottom of your screen? It shows which way to go. Is it just a blue circle? Is it just a blue
Oh, yeah.
circle? Then that means it's here somewhere. We have to look. What was that? I just heard a door.
Don't trip. Len's not here, we're fine.
I know, but is he just saying that? Recharge battery. Okay, I got a full battery again. It says it's right here. Oh, is it under us? Maybe it's under us.
Ah, you fucking idiot.
I think it's under us. We have to find the stairs again. Follow me? Where you at? Did you
What
find
is
the
this?
staircase?
Austin.
Where are you? Where are you?
What the hell is this?
Where are you? I don't know where you're at. Oh,
Go to the, okay, so you know,
I'm here. I'm
right
here.
here.
I don't know.
What is
Oh, that's a portal. That's a portal. He can go back that way. He can go through that and leave.
What is this? Pick up a...
Oh, a shard.
What
Collect the
that does,
shards.
but yeah.
Oh, we can send him back. We can send him back. Oh, it says it's here.
Oh, I found another
Wait,
shard. Found another shard.
hold on. There's a tape here too.
One more.
Wait, there's a tape. What is this? What is this? Oh, shard. Rift
Okay,
ready for the
we can
ritual.
send him back,
Oh,
we
oh
can
yeah.
send Should we wait till he comes back?
No, what does it say to do? Perform
don't
ritual.
do it
What'd you find? Okay, hold on. There's a tape here. I want to find it real quick.
Okay.
It might be under us, or is it in the water? Oh no.
What is this, bro?
Where'd you go? You're getting away from me.
This
Oh,
thing's
you're over
leaking shit.
What is that?
You
What
look
was
so
that?
goofy, bro.
Bro, you look goofy too. It says the tape is here. But it could be under us.
Nope, it's this way, it's this way, it's this way.
I know, but now, watch. I'll click X now, and it just shows a circle. Yeah, it just shows a circle. It's here somewhere. Unless it's under us. Can we go in this water?
Well, I swear to God, I just said A to put.
Oh god, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
What happened?
You're able to go in the water.
Fine, bro. I don't know what you're tripping about. You're too tripping, bro.
Oh god, he's here! He's here! He's here! He's here! He's here! He's here!
I'm performing the ritual.
He's here!
Get out of here, scrub.
You performed the ritual. What does that do? What did that do?
I don't know. I think
What did that do?
I'm scared.
I'm scared too. Dude, oh my god, that scared the heck out of me, dude.
We're chilling, bro. We're chilling. We're chilling. I'm actually talking about we're fine.
Oh my
Wait,
god,
no,
we're not
here,
fine.
and we gotta run.
No, he teleports away when that happens.
I know, but he knows we're here.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
He's on me. Go.
Throw a flare! Throw a flare! Throw a flare! Throw a flare! Where'd you go?
I did.
Where are you? Sam! Sam, where are you? Sam, where are you?
Bro.
Sam, I lost you. We need to be together. I lost you.
Bro, it's fine. It's fine. I lost.
Sam, this is not good. This is not good.
I lost Lyman. It's all good.
It's not good because now he can get
I went
us
in the water.
one at a time.
I went in the
Oh, you're that way?
I know where you're at too.
Oh, somebody joined the session. Oh, I can shout to you. Oh god! Oh god! Was that him or was that you?
That was definitely him.
Where are you, little boys?
Austin.
What? Oh god! What was that?
I'm dead. Oh my god. Bro, you scared the living shit out of me.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. Wait, I can run? Wait, what do I do?
Hey boy, get off of him! Get off of him! Get away!
Get out of here,
Get out of
bro.
here!
I don't know
We
where
need to
you're
run!
being.
We need to run! We need to run, Sam!
Where do you want to go? Where do you
Follow me! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me! Oh shoot! We can't go this way. At least we can. Follow me.
I think we're dead.
Follow me! Follow me!
Part
Follow me!
two.
Oh, this
You're
is the
dead,
corner.
Sam.
Okay, let's go this way. This way. This way.
Dead end. Where you got?
This way. See, that's what I'm talking about. We need to stick together because that happens.
That shit scared the living out of me, bro.
I can smell you.
Yep, that's not good. I need a battery, bro. I'm dead. I'm about to die.
I have my flashlight still, and it has pretty good light on it. Oh, there's a tape nearby.
It's flashing.
I found a tape. I found a tape. I found a tape.
We're fine, bro. We're fine.
My flashlight's about to be at half.
Mine's about to... Where do you go?
This way.
Oh, there's the tape this way. Yeah, straight. Oh, that's never a good sound.
Which way do you want to go? Oh, is this a battery?
That really tripped me out. Holy shit.
Yeah, take this battery. Take this battery.
What battery? Oh. Nope, now I'm half. Let's go.
All right. Oh, tape over here. Right here. Got it. Four more,
How
Sam.
many
Four
do
more.
we need?
Four more. I need a
And we need the tapes to do what?
I need a battery. Honestly, I don't really know what they do. But...
Hasty.
Oh, this way. There's a clue.
Yep.
What's like? Go.
No, Sam! Shine your light on him! No, shine your light on him! Shine your light on him! Sam!
What do I do?
Just shine your light. That's it. You just gotta shine your light on him.
Okay, we're chilling, bro.
Med
This
kit.
is
Med
a
kit.
easy dub.
The med kit can be used to recover health. How do I use my med kit? Oh, there we go. I'm using the med kit. Do you have a med kit?
What the
Click
hell?
LB.
That?
Click LB.
Guess what,
LB.
boys?
I'm gonna make it.
Oh shoot.
Guess what?
My flashlight's almost.
Easy, bro.
Sam, if you get caught one more time by him, that's it.
Run. Just go.
Oh, battery. I need this battery.
Just go. I'm out of here already, bro. I'm out of here.
No, come this way. Where'd you go? We're gonna die now. We're gonna die. We're separated.
No, we're fine.
No, we're separated. We're gonna die.
Nope, I'm fine. I'm blurring them. Up, back there.
No, see, I told you.
This guy.
It's actually kind of hard being a killer, not gonna lie. Alright, come for that booty, Austin. Over here! Be fine with that.
Oh shoot! I accidentally shouted.
Ooh, I see you.
Stay away from me.
I know you're around here somewhere, little boy. Hey, Sam. How you doing, Sam? I see you, you little ghost.
Sam, you're not dead?
I don't know
He's
what my
a
ghost
ghost.
does.
Yeah, he's a ghost. You can just help the...
Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah. You can take the idols away, destroy them.
Thermal pools would be nice if they weren't filled with a putrid liquid. Disgusting.
Stay away from me, boy. I don't know where you're at. Stay away. Oh god, my
that
controller's
booty, bro.
vibrating. You're here. Where are you?
Nowhere.
He says no.
Oh shit. Stay away from me. I hear you. Oh god. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. No! Oh my god.
Go head ass.
Oh my god, what is that? You look like a turd.
Well, it's actually kind of hard being the killer, not gonna lie. It's a